Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair and I'm going to show you this R-Pod. It's actually by Forest River. It's a pre-owned piece of inventory that we have here. We have a lot of pre-owned inventory and a lot of new inventory as well. It's actually a 2016 183G and it's kind of its little floor plan of its own, and I'll show you that when we get inside. It does have a little slide out on this side along with your hookups and some other stuff over here, your water fill and that kind of stuff. Little slide out here that the kitchen is in, and I'll go around to that side. As we make our way around, you're going to have two propane tanks up here, and this has the larger ones. You do have plenty of storage on this guy. Let's see here. You have a front storage bay that goes underneath the front dinette. You do have a little storage bay back here that also kind of goes underneath the back side there. Underneath there's a kitchen. Zamp solar on the side. You're going to be ready to hook up a solar panel like your briefcase solar panels. This is kind of cool. So this lifts up and it's got this huge little kitchen area here. And you have plenty of storage, a rack system. You can put stuff up here in your baskets. You can mount a TV out here. You have like a cooler, a wash basin basically, a sink, clean your fish, whatever you got going on. It's kind of nice for camping to have a little outdoor use area. It does have a little hitch on there. You could actually put a little bike rack on this type of unit. It's pretty nice that way. Let's go look inside and I'll show you the inside of this trailer. When you come into this trailer, you have your front dinette. Now this dinette is the bed. So you'd have to make this down to a bed, but it is a pretty large area and a large dinette. You could sleep and hang out with a lot of people up here in the front. Then you have your kitchen, your indoor sink. You also had one outside. Your kitchen is in the little slide out here. Your microwave, your fridge. And then we have a nice closet that does have adjustable shelves and whatnot here. So you can take those shelves out if you'd rather, and then you have a closet to hang stuff. And then the bathroom on this guy has a pretty decent sized bathroom for quite a little trailer. This is going to be very lightweight, pretty small trailer towed by most of your crossover SUVs or anything like that. This trailer also comes with your DVD player and your nice entertainment system for watching TVs and movies and this and that. When you put a TV in here other than that, you'd be good to go. My name is Kirk.Blair. I work here at Guaranty in sales, and please give me a call or ask for me if you would. My name is Captain Kirk. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Happy to help you any way I can. Hope you're having a great day.